And let's continue with our week 4 skills 1, page 2. Number 8, 595 plus 72. Write the sum in the box below. Then circle the correct comparison symbol. First, I have to find the sum, which means I add. Then I write the sum in the box below, and then I circle the correct comparison. Again, this comparison means that the sum is less than, and this one means that the sum is greater or more. Let's go ahead and solve. 595 plus 72. 5 plus 2 is 7. 9 plus 7 is 16. 5 plus 1 is 6. 667. Now, how do I find out if it is less or greater than? I place them in a place value chart. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. First number is 667. Whoops. 667. 674. Can I compare those two numbers? No, because they are the same. Can I compare these two numbers? Yes. Which one is less? Which one is greater? And I know that 7 is greater. Right here. 7 is greater. Right? So that means that the sum is less. The sum is less. Number 9. 889 minus 439. Write the difference in expanded form. Well, I know I have to find the difference. In order to find the difference, I have to subtract. So let's go ahead and rewrite our problem. 889 minus 439. That's how I'm going to find out the difference when I subtract. 9 minus 9 is 0. 8 minus 3 is 5. And 8 minus 4 is 4. Now, I have to write this difference in expanded form. In order for me to find the expanded form, I have to find the value of each digit. How do I find the value of each digit in 450? I have to create place value chart. 400, okay, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. 450, 450, which means that I have 0 ones, which means that I have 50, which means that I have 400s. Now, 400 plus 50 plus 0 equals 450. This is my expanded form. Number 10. Mr. Zimmerman's class raised $921 selling chocolate for a school fundraiser. Mr. Patrick's class raised $786 for the fundraiser. How much more did Mr. Zimmerman's class raise for the fundraiser? Let me analyze my information. Let me understand what's being given to me. I know that Mr. Zimmerman that his class did what? I know that his class raised $921, right? I know that Mr. Patrick's class, what did they do? They raised $786. And then it asks me, how much more did Miss Zimmerman class raise than Mr. Patrick's? Well, how do I find the difference? I find the difference by adding or subtracting, multiplying or division. I find the difference by subtracting. So let's go ahead and write our number sentence. $921 minus $786 equals, or I can solve 921 minus 786. I cannot take 6 from 1. Let me regroup. This becomes an 11. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's 5. I cannot take 8 from 1, so this becomes an 8. This becomes an 11. 8, 9, 10, 11. That's 3. 8 minus 7 is 1. I know that Miss Zimmerman's class raised $135 more.